Alright everybody, welcome back to Barbells and Burnouts. So, Kaylin's here guys, we're here at the house. I got a problem, okay? So, I started my car a few days ago and the belt snapped, right? So we were about to change the bolt because we thought it just backed itself out. I know y'all see this bolt lodged all the way right there in the block. So, Kaylin, you think there's enough thread for it to grab?
Yeah.
Kaylin thinks there's enough thread. I'm here like, I don't got no Dremel, but we gonna see what we can make some shake, alright? Cool. Kaylin is trying to grab it with the pliers right now.
There it goes.
Is it turning?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
I was turning it with my fingers earlier.
Oh, thank Jesus. Cause bro, I don't know what I would have done. I'd have had to get a Dremel, drilled it out, no sir.
I got a Dremel at the house.
As much as it sounds like, you know, I know what I'm doing, I don't even know what I'm doing half the time. I ain't gonna lie to you. But this is the process of finding out and having fun, alright? So, a Dremel is used to drill out bolts that have been broken off or drill out pieces and things like that. So usually what they do is they like drill out the hole to get the bolt out. But I'm over here scared, but it looks like it's twisting. Yeah, it's really turning. Oh yeah, you can see that. It's definitely zoom in, definitely coming out. All right. Thank God. So what happened? So I came down here and started my car. Right. I heard a sound of like the pulley being off. And I think I have pictures. I'll put it right here. I heard the sound of the pulley being off and whining, so I cut the car off. I was like, I don't know what's going on. I opened the hood and I see the belt is all chewed up and everything, and the alternator shifted like this. I look down there, I'm like, oh, that's because the bolt's gone. So originally we thought the bolt had backed itself out, but it looks like the bolt just snapped off. And Ken, you said there was no bottom bolt?
No bottom bolt.
There's no bottom bolt. All right, perfect. So there is my piece of a bolt that came out. Luckily enough, it's out, because boy, that would have been bad. That would have been bad. All right, so we found some even more fun news. There's actually no bolt in the bottom part of the alternator. So S2000 alternators have two bolts, one in the top, one in the bottom. Okay, so we took off this top part of the alternator, and the alternator just wiggled itself right out. Now it's in position, but I should not be able to move my alternator like this and take it out, okay? So our theory is, when I got the clutch redone, because I blew the clutch in it right after I got it, the clutch was really, really old and it's going. So when I had the clutch done, for them to get to the clutch, to change the clutch, they have to remove the alternator to get to the starter. Because in these cars, you gotta drop the motor, all right? Well, shimmy the motor to get it out, okay? So, whoever did it, not gonna name names, it wasn't me, but whoever did it, the shop that did it, did not put the second alternator bolt back in, because I haven't touched that alternator since. I did work on changing the belt, but I didn't touch the alternator at all. I just took the tensioner and pulled it, all right? So, that's probably what happened. Since there was no bolt there, there's so much vibrations from the motor, because I've been dogging the car. I drive the car. You know, y'all have seen the videos, right? So what we think is that's what caused the top bolt to shear off. Fun stuff. All right, so we jimmy rigged this mug in. We about to bolt that mug down. This guy Caitlin's so clutch, bro. I don't know what I would do without you, bro. I don't know what I would do without you. All right, so we jimmy rigged this mug in. We about to bolt that mug down. This guy Caitlin's so clutch, bro. I don't know what I would do without you, bro. I don't know what I would do without you. All right, so we got the belt almost on. We are torquing, not torquing, we are pulling on the tensioner just to set it up. Ah, dang, man. Is it moving? Yeah. Alright, so there, here. I should take all this myself. Damn, I can't clean that actually. Alright, so we got her on. Torque down properly. Let me put the hose on before I start it. So I don't see no stupidity. But she's on there right now. Never again. Never again shall I be riding this with one alternator bolt. Never again. So, everything is basically bolted up properly. Yeah, everything's basically bolted up properly. As you can see, the alternator is much more in line with the motor. This was almost shifted out to about here. This whole belt was eaten up, so we changed it up over here. Kaylee, you want to do the honors and film it while I start it?
Yeah, man.
Okay, cool.
Let's do it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright. So, ooh, it's burning oil. You smell it?
Yeah.
It's burning a little bit of oil. I need to get that oil changed. Alright, so, short, quick video. Changed the bolts on the alternator. Also changed the serpentine belt. Easy stuff. If you like what you see, remember to subscribe and like to the channel, alright? Alright, we got some more videos coming out. Them tires are coming in, the wheels are coming in, alright guys? So we're gonna have a lot more fun things going on. If you like the content, remember to comment, subscribe, alright? Catch you guys later. Peace.